Hey guys, so today I've got the Dr. Jart V7 Serum, which I picked up and have had a short chance to try it. But first, I just want to talk about my giveaway for this weekend. And it is a brand new bottle of the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in the shade Light. It's brand new. I got it in a Sephora Favorite set. However, I already have a bottle of this. So I'm going to auction this one off. Or not auction it, raffle it off. So all I have to do is just leave a comment and give it a thumb up, and I'll enter you in. Last week I gave away a sunblock, this week self-tanning drops, and I'll do something else next weekend too. So anyway, hopefully I can put it to good use, so definitely leave a comment. And and give it a thumb up. So check it out if it's a product you want a chance to try. Here's a shot to get it for free. So anyway, I'll announce the winner on Sunday's video. So anyway, I was pretty excited to pick this up. I've got some of the other Dr. Jart products that are the peptidants. They're packaged similar, so it kind of looks like a matching set of three. The V7 though is packaged in a glass bottle, unlike the other two peptidant products. However, it does have the same problems that I kind of addressed with the two peptidant products. And the two issues are denatured alcohol and fruit extract, citrus fruit oils. So this is kind of meant to be their vitamin C serum, and they've got some good vitamin C in there, and they also have a lot of other good things, just like the peptidants had. They had a lot of good ingredients in there, but unfortunately, when you throw in denatured alcohol and citrus oils, it's just not the best for most skin types. However, if you're thinking about the peptidants, the blue one is the better one, in my opinion. It's a little better, especially for sensitive skin. So so they've got some good beneficial ingredients. It's super light. Actually, I like it. Not a fan of the denatured alcohol, especially if you're going to use this in the daytime with some of those citrus ingredients. And some of those citrusy ingredients can cause some phototoxic reaction with the sunlight, so you're better off sometimes not using them, unless, especially make sure if you're going to use something with citrus oils in it during the daytime, be sure to use a sunblock over it, which I think can help. But overall, personally for me, I could see myself using this more in the evening, although it works really well. I'm wearing it right now underneath my moisturizer, which is the Protini. And for my sunblock today, I finally picked up a new bottle of the Josie Maran Argan Oil Protect and Perfect. I like it. It's got a tint to it. So I'm using that, and then my foundation. But so that's why I'd recommend, if you're thinking about picking it up, probably use it more so in the daytime. And the other thing they don't mention is the exact percentage of ascorbic acid in here, which is driving me crazy because a lot of companies are doing it, which I just assume it's just a lower amount, unlike some of the products where they mention it's 20% or 21%. So overall, it's really hit and miss. It's super light. It absorbs quickly. It works well under foundation and works well under sunscreen, which is nice, and absorbs pretty quickly. The scent is super light, and it does dissipate. It's just a very citrusy scent from the tangerine oil, which is kind of high up there. And one more thing I know a lot of people were requesting, I'm going to try and remember to do it every time, is pH testing products before I review them. So this one I pH tested. I think it's between a 6 and a 7, right around 6.5% is kind of what I'm thinking for the pH. So if that's kind of something that interests you, that's a FYI. So, but overall, like a lot of Dr. Jart products, it's hit and miss. There's good things about it, a lot of the good beneficial ingredients, and then there's the alcohol and citrus oil, which is just a no-go. So if you have very sensitive skin, again, it could be an issue to watch out for. Really, I do, if you're going to pick it up, I highly recommend using it at nighttime and using a stronger vitamin C product during the daytime. So, I don't know. For the price, I would prefer not to be so hit and miss. And the dropper thing is kind of funny as well. I don't know. If you fill it up too much, it kind of just explodes everywhere. So, I don't know. Hit and miss. It's okay. Looking forward to trying the priming moisturizer, and hopefully that'll have more of what I'm looking for. I can usually forgive a company for including a little bit of alcohol or a little bit of fragrance, but when it's both of them in there, especially in a product that's supposed to be an antioxidant, protect your skin, just doesn't do so much to actually protect your skin. So so those are kind of my first impressions. I'll definitely do a full review after I've had a longer chance to use it. So anyway, those are my thoughts on that. And be sure to leave a comment and give the video a thumb up. And I will raffle this off on Sunday. So thank you guys so much. And I will see you tomorrow.